Hey, buddy.
Oh.
I didn't know you was in here. Or so I gonna be talking about fucking my grandma. My bad.
All good. Whatever floats
Alright.
your boat.
Yeah, she got that good pussy though.
Hey, it is what it is.
Hey, better than my sister.
Fuck, dude, why the hell are we playing Checkmate? This map's ass.
Did your sister circumcise you?
Yeah.
My sister's got a big cock.
My sister circumcised?
Team deathmatch. Break and engage.
This map's absolutely ass. This fucking sucks.
Oh my god, Flashback and saved my ass, but then I died.
Let's go, bitch. Get out of here. Damn, I almost got him.
Ethan, you wanna like tag team on my
Do what?
You wanna like run a train on my grandma with me?
Bet. What about your grandpa though? He needs some lovin's.
No, my grandpa not circumcised. This shit look weird.
They might be behind us now. Behind. I got one. There's another one in the doorway. He's dead. I'm stuck. Nice shit. Good shit.
They're fucking our shit up right now.
No, for real though. Oh shit! Oh, damn.
That would have been the best play.
I'm dead. I just fucking killed myself like an idiot. Oh shit! I don't want. Oh, no, thank you.
Enemy spy plane inbound.
Let's go, man. Woohoo! I'm dead. Fuck, dude, what is going on? Dude. Oh.
That's wild.
Oh shit.
Lucky shots, homeboy, lucky shots.
There's one up there, yeah.
Enemy
I
spy
just
plane
ran so
inbound.
fucking bad.
Oh, damn it, bro.
To
Let's
win.
go.
All forces head to next location.
You guys,
GG's, man. Good shit.
Baby.
Yes! Dude, I'm gonna come, I swear to God.
Get these fucking headshots.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Carl, can you wheeze?
I need to pump of my spray. I don't think I can wheeze at the moment.
Oh, hello.
Where is he?
Oh,
I just meleeed him.
Spy plane standing.
Dude,
Kill me too.
ass, go kill him.
That's on you, man. Oh shit!
Bro, you're better than me. Just go kill
Spy
him.
plane fuel check 50%.
Just because I'm better than you doesn't mean I can kill him.
I'm just gonna stay.
Oh
with
shit,
him.
man.
Then he can't
This
kill
guy-
me.
This guy knows my man at all times, motherfucker. I got a death machine or some shit. What is that? Is that you, Damien?
My bad, bro.
Why? I'm trying to get a kill.
Let's go.
What the fuck happened there?
GG's, boys.
That's the last of those fuckers.
Oh, damn, easy ass kills right there. Clapping cheeks for
man,
real.
You're putting in the work. Look at this shit.
Yeah, there.
Alright.
Whew. I just flicked on his ass.
Just overhead.
Fuck, bro. Got me good with that.
Oh, fuck. Homeboy's cheating, bro.
Oh shit, I had to reload.
Advantage.
Damn. Damn, he's over here. I got him, I got him, I got him.
I just about killed you, Ethan.
Bro, they're all over there,
Fuck all
Damien.
that. Yeah.
Hostile sentry
Good
turret
shot.
active.
Right there.
We've pulled ahead.
Someone's oven's going on. Oh shit, didn't see him there.
Popped up out of nowhere.
He was reloading.
Hello. Oh, these dumbasses. Fuck you. Fucking 6 and 10. What the fuck?
We're pulling ahead.
Stop, stop,
Oh,
stop.
Ethan, you lucky I missed my shots.
Yeah, I'm lucky your ass. Dude, you're bad.
Dude, my controller batteries are low.
Again?
And I ain't got no more.
We're pulled ahead. We're losing the advantage. Fight
Fuck
your match.
you,
We're
pussy
falling
nigga.
behind.
Where's he at?
Standing by.
We're pulling ahead. Hostile spy plane is
Let's
enemy
go.
zone.
Pops flying up there, bro.
32 to 6.
Excellent work,
Hey,
everyone.
I was looking at your ass up in that room. I locked the bombs. I like the bombs all the time. So.
1, 2.
Y'all niggas would have been dead if you were not a fucking trophy shit up in that room.
3,
I was looking
4.
Team deathmatch. Taking control.
Here's Waffle Sydney. I don't
Alright,
put
chaps,
Brandon
we
Sydney
trained
to
for
go
this.
get
You know
Waffle
what to
House
do.
at midnight.
Waffle House ain't good. Don't eat Waffle House. Oh my goodness. Oh!
I've eaten
Holy-
Waffle House a few times.
Oh, dude, that was a shot for. Oh my. You're like taking
I'm gonna
forever.
fuck you.
Do it. But see, you won't.
Hardcore team deathmatch.
Tomorrow?
За родину.
My schedule's busy right now, but
Alright. Should we fucking 4 times tomorrow?
yeah,
Damn.
I can go.
Taking the lead.
I'm gonna start screaming if someone kills me and they're behind you, okay?
We've
So you
pulled
know.
ahead.
Okay.
I got one. There's a second one that I think he's camping like I was. How's that?
Damn.
Enemy spy plane inbound.
Oh, I got a kill. Holy shit.
Bloody ass shot. Yeah, me and my boy are gonna fuck 4 times tomorrow, so I'm really cool.
I hope y'all fucking lose. Fuck y'all.
Is this our teammate talking?
What
Yeah, it
the
is.
Fuck? Yeah.
You're talking the other team, or you talking about us, man?
Oh, we left. That's why.
Enemy spy plane.
Run quietly. Holy shit, they're all back here.
Yeah, they are. Fuck, dude. Fucking melee.
No, not a chance.
Dude, I fucking melee instead of shooting. Piss me off. I do that shit all the time. It's actually annoying. Oh. There's Nate in there. Run, 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 run.
7. Make us proud.
You're lucky you got flak jacket, dude. Eva just about killed you.
Yeah, I'm still in this building, bro. Damn, now they just blew me up.
Dude,
Hostile sentry turret. Yeah, I got it.
Nice. He killed me before.
And I'm going underground. I'm going over. I'm going underground.
Okay, I'm not going underground. Fuck that.
Good game.
Che campero
There go.
basura.
Request immediate dust off and bring the
¿Cuál
plane.
es verga,
Bro, I got a
güey?
smart one.
Está bien pendejos todos. Está bien campero la basura esa.
Damn, okay,
Para
Fungus,
matar
you
al
go.
bastardo ese. Campero, güey. ¿Cuál es verga? ¿Cuál es tu que me hace? Está campeando, mierda. Vete a ver, campero.
Four big guys, and they grab on my thighs, blow up my guts like the 4th of July. If they keep fucking my butt, then I might just cry. Poop and semen spraying on my eyes. He lick my dick and the cum start spraying. Charging up my dick, I'ma go super saiyan. When it comes to fucking booty, I don't do much playing. I whispered in his ear like, hey, are you staying? He said, yeah, I'm not leaving. I guess he George Floyd, cause I always leave him not